You sound just dagat.
Una pa siyang sound.
Hi guys, another day, another vlog. So today, we are here in Barangay Basdacu here in Loon. So nata sa Basdacu Spirit Beach. So this is one of the resorts here. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a tour. So let's come in. So ganahan ko diri guys because it's really like foresty. Look at. Daghan kayo og mga kahoy, ni mga coconut. So that's the reason why I love it here. So come here. So when you come in here, this part right here is Mona Ilahang CR, animal part. Okay, so when you go straight right here, that should be leading to the beach. So ang beach is the ora siya sa mga cottages since right now it's currently what 1:30 p.m. So according to Google, right now is the peak for the highest tide. So yeah, let me know kung ni kuan na siya. Iyo boss. 100 plus. Sorry guys, kasi wala ko filter. Kaya na?
100 plus.
Yes os jud. Kana mo sakto na. So this is the beach. So we're adjusting the exposure because I don't have any filter yet. So those are the cottages right there if you can see. Okay, that's example. So the origin is just the beach. Right now, I'm not gonna be able to fly my drone because nisama kong drone ganina. So yeah, wala tagmayo ta. So napodirhi nga area. Let's see. Woo! Oh, nice swing. Pwede ka mag-chill there, guys. Or pa-picture. Pa me. Murag tang. Okay, so I think that will be it because mo try me og ligo sa dagat because look at that. Nindot kayong dagat. May mga mangroves right there. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. So today, nami sa Basdacu diri sa Loon, Bohol. So we're gonna be having breakfast. It's already like 9 sa buntag. So among breakfast is Jollibee.
Sponsor.
Jollibee.
Bikini man.
Baka naman. Duha ka bakit.
So we have a
Jollibee.
bucket of chicken joy.
For our baby.
What is this? French fries? Then spaghetti. We have Nicole today.
Hi
Dapat
guys.
si
Francie.
Ogsi? Ay! Of course, aying. Di ba po, Ogsi na lang po. So, ang cottage is like 300 pesos. So, muna yung cottage. So, dili siya init because may daghang trees around. And that's the beach. Blown out ni siya. Sorry. So, okay filter. So, mag-eat sa me, okay? Then, I'm gonna fly my drone after this. Bye! See you! Guys, na-crash akong drone. Di sound just dagat.
Una pa siyang sound.
Murag igaw na siya. No? Ang 55k goodbye.
Uy, timbang ko.
I-revive din ako guys.
CPR sa ano.
So yun again, sponsor dera. DJI. Bikini man.
Ano ba ko?
Kaya gabuhat mi og kanang naisa na anang trend ni sa Jenny Kim ba. Isa ang drone oy. O sana i-try pa try guys. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. So yeah, here it is. It is completely dead. Though may power pa naman siya. Kasi you can see, oh. But I'll be meeting a technician this coming Sunday. So hopefully, maayo ni siya because this is gonna be a break to my heart because, you know, I've been with this guy with me for like 2 years now. So I've been creating content for quite a while. So this was the upgrade that I had from Mini 1. So this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you can see that. So yeah. So basically, exam siya sa dagat. And then, akong gi-rinse og water sa gripo. Because that was the advice that I got from the DJI center from Cebu when I called them. And then, wala, ipa-dry na ko. And then, dito i-turn on. Pero, sige na move-on. Hopefully, ma-revive ba ni siya. But, yeah. Regarding sa Basdacu, it was my first time actually nga ni adto, and then naganahan ko because the vibe was like in Anda. If you've been to Anda Bohol, that was the kind of vibe because only few tourists, only few people, and then ma-enjoy nimo and dili kay siya kayo saba. Doon ay karaoke sa Pika side, but yeah, sa among side daghag forest, and then dili siya kayo init, and then nito siya kung high tide because ang dagat is the older kayo siya like few steps away from the cottage nga imong irentahan. So yeah, hopefully maayo ni ato ang drone, and then we'll have another vlog. We'll try to find more hidden gems diri sa Bohol, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, also share this video, and that like button will help this channel grow. Comment down below if you have any questions. Okay, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.